My name is Kyle Crandall. I own Ziebart in Jamestown, New York. We're at the Desi Museum. We're cleaning Lucille Ball's 1972 Mercedes-Benz. Ziebart is vehicle appearance and protection, and so we're here protecting and improving the appearance of Lucille's vehicle. It's very important to maintain these vehicles. Even when they sit inside, we still want to keep up the exterior paint coating as well as stop the leather from fading, aging, and cracking on the interior. So our leather conditioner keeps it supple without making it greasy, so it'll make it last long term. Age definitely comes into effect with a detail like this. You have to take extra special care with the age of the paint. We're very grateful to be able to detail Lucy's car. It means a lot to us, especially with our 60th anniversary here at Ziebart this year. It's awesome to be able to work on a piece of history as well as honoring Lucille Ball's legacy as well.